Scribe AI Review. Does it help simplify documents? So Scribe AI is a tool that helps users generate step-by-step documentation automatically. By capturing your on-screen actions, it creates clear instructions, guides, or process docs without requiring you to manually write everything. So let's talk about the pros and cons. So for the pros, it automatically creates step-by-step documentations. It also saves time for businesses, teams, and educators. It is also easy to edit, customize, and share generated guides. It integrates with workflows for creating SOPs and training materials. And it's great for simplifying complex processes into clear instructions. The cons is though, it works best for process-oriented tasks and not general writing. It also requires internet access for full functionality, and some advanced features are locked behind the paid plans. So overall, it is a helpful documentation tool if you want to simplify complex processes into easy to follow steps.